In this session, we're going to build a script which sends an email at a certain timestamp every day. Let's see how we can do that. Since this script will be similar in structure with the send email periodically REPL, which sends an email every 60 seconds, I am going to fork this, so duplicate it. Let's say every day. This is a new REPL with the same code as before, and now all we need to do is enter an if conditional here, because currently this loop is running over and over again without any limits. We want to enter a condition. If something, then indent this under if, so that this code is only executed when that something is satisfied that condition. And what I'm thinking of here is to check the current timestamp. So let's say we want to send an email at 13:10 at this time every day. So we want to check if the time is 13:10, and we want to do that checking every minute. So the loop will run every minute and it will check if the time is 13:10. Now, to deal with times, we want to use from date time import date time sdt, just so that we don't have to use this long name, we use dt. So that's basically a variable that represents this. Therefore, now we can say if dt.now.hour is equal to 13, because what this outputs is, I can show that to you, so that can be run in there and say dt.now, you get the current timestamp. But dt.now.hour, you only get the hour, which is 13, so 1 p.m. So if the hour is 13 and dt.now.minute, but we are repeating ourselves here, so we are executing dt.now 2 times. Therefore, let's improve that, and let's say now is dt.now. We store that timestamp in a variable, and then we say now.hour. Then we extract the hour out of that timestamp. So this timestamp again is like this one in here. So if now.hour equal to 13 and now.minute equal to, we said 10, or let's make it 15. So I'm trying to find a time that is like a few minutes after now to be able to test my script. Then we send that email and we check every 60 seconds. So it makes sense to have the interval 60 seconds because the accuracy we want is minute. So we are checking hour and minute. So in order to check every minute, we want to run the loop every minute. If we only wanted to send an email at 1 p.m., it doesn't matter what minutes, then you wouldn't have to do this. You could just say it like that, and then here you say 3,600 seconds, which means 1 hour. So every 1 hour you would be checking if that hour is met or not. So whatever you like. I'm using the longer version just for demonstration purposes, and that's it. I'm going to try and run the script now. Time is 15:13 right now. So the script started to run, and what will happen here is the loop will start, it will record the current date time, and then it will check. If the hour is 13 and the minute is 15, it will execute this block. Otherwise, it's going to run the loop again here. So it will not execute this block here. If the hour is met, then this block will be executed and the loop will try to run again check the time, and so on. So I got this error which says that I have no key ring, so which means we didn't include a secret here. So password, you can see that password is provided here, but it's not included as an environment variable in this particular REPL. So the value was flask7 app and that symbol. So this is the password for this Gmail account, the sender Gmail account. So add new secret, don't forget, set the time to be 17 this time, yes, that makes sense, and run. And yeah, I got this email sent. Let's check if we got any email here. Oh, it seems like this service has changed the email address, so I'm going to copy that and paste it as a new receiver. Paste it and set it to 18 this time. Stop and run again. So we had provided the wrong email address. We have this sent again, and let's check. Yeah, now we have a new email. And that is how to send an email at a certain time every day with Python. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.